The best shrubs for Zone 4 picked by the experts. Album Rhododendron. This rhododendron has it all. First, you get 2 flower colors in one. Clusters of pink buds open up in mid-May to exhibit pure white blooms with pale yellow throats. Berry Poppins Winterberry Holly. The Berry Poppins Winterberry Holly is a fantastic option for people wanting to grow winterberry shrubs, but with minimal space. These dwarf shrubs are compact, but still produce a great show in the winter once the leaves drop and the berries grow. Double play candy corn Spirea. Are you looking to add color to your landscape? The double play candy corn Spirea is the plant for you. Enjoyment begins in the spring when new growth appears and is a brilliant red. New Jersey tea. A true American native plant, New Jersey tea is a tough shrub that needs little maintenance and is easy to grow in just about any garden. New Jersey tea attracts beneficial pollinators when in bloom and has lovely yellow stems after leaf fall in the winter. Centara Double Blue Lilacs sweeten the spring air each year, and Centara Double Blue Lilac packs a fragrance punch. This lilac variety, Syringa hyacinthiflora, has been specially bred for superb fragrance and is one of the most fragrant varieties available. Snow White Mockorange. Mockorange shrubs are some of the most loved flowering bushes of spring. With a scent resembling oranges and snow white double blooms, Snow White Mockorange, Philadelphus, will delight as a classic garden plant. Standby, Me Bush, Clematis. This rare and unique clematis gives off a whole new look. Instead of growing as a vine like most clematis, this one grows into a shrub. It has adorable bluebell flowers that begin to bloom in May with rebloom in late summer. Tater Tot, Arborvitae. The Tater Tot Arborvitae is a great addition to any garden. The small rounded shape is carefree and will fit into just about any space. This proven winner's color choice shrub can even tolerate shaded areas, which is uncommon for most Arborvitae or evergreen shrubs in general. The Fairy Shrub Rose. The Fairy is the perfect small, compact shrub rose to use as an edging plant or ground cover. The delicate pink flowers bloom in clusters. Carpet the shrub all summer and do not stop until the first frost. One cut stem can fill a vase with an instant arrangement. Explore the best shrubs for Zone 4 picked by the experts. For more plants and ideas, follow the link in the description.